My name is Deborah Verkuil, and I'm here to showcase my vision board. I want to tell you about my hero, Mr. Pope. He was my 12th grade English teacher, and he reminded me so much of the movie The Pursuit of Happiness. He dedicated his life to inspire young people. No matter the circumstances, if you really believed in yourself and you continue to dream harder, you will have the willpower to achieve greatness. He was very passionate about his role as a teacher and believed that you can become anything you put your mind to. He was also one of the teachers that displayed so many patience, and he made sure never to leave anyone behind. He even had after classes to assist those learners that could not understand during the lesson. And he motivated those learners to all have A grades at the end of every term. Mr. Pope made English subjects so exciting that you could not wait for the next lesson. He loved poetry, always made up a song or a rhyme in order for us to understand. He also used every opportunity to turn any assignment into an oral presentation. And that was his way of motivating us to be confident in the workplace one day and not to be afraid to voice our opinions and our ideas. Mr. Pope was the love of our school. He always showed love, patience, and he respected each pupil. And that is what made me to inspire, or what inspired me to become a teacher. I want to be the best teacher I can possibly be by actively participating and be present with every lesson I deliver. If there's one thing that technology still teaches us daily, that it is to be adaptive to change, and therefore I believe in being a lifelong learner. Being a lifelong learner means that I will continue to learn by joining workshops and to stay abreast of any new teaching tools to equip my learners. I want each of my learners to understand that you are the creator of your own future. Meaning that you are in control of your own future. Therefore, I believe that empowerment is important. I believe that facilitating my learners, I will be able to give them guidance through learning process and ensure active participation. This will allow me as the teacher to focus on the needs and the interest of my learners. What I want to achieve in my 3-week TP practice is the following: to learn from the professionals, to apply the learning material from Stadio, and to have as much fun with the little ones in order for me to learn from them so that I can teach better. Thank you and have a great day further.